Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are making this Kawaii Mitarashi Dango. You know, I fell in love with this dessert at first bite. If you are not familiar with this, they are a classic sweet Japanese dumpling that have a chewy texture, and it's covered with mitarashi, a syrup made from soy sauce, sugar and starch. Sometimes people are confused and think them as a mochi. They look really similar, but they are completely different. In Japan, this dango is easily found in markets or convenience stores. They come with many different varieties, so they are usually named after the various seasoning served on or with it. The one that I've tried at Mount Fuji has been grilled over coals just like marshmallow and sprinkled with a toasted soy flour called kinako. Store-bought ones are tasty too, but you know nothing beats the homemade goodness. And before we get started, make sure you tap that subscribe button because I post new videos every single week. And without further ado, let's get started. We only need 3 ingredients for the dango. First one is the glutinous rice flour, then add the icing sugar for a little sweetness. And the last ingredient is Japanese tofu. I'm just using regular Japanese Silken Tofu here. You can use any brand you like. Some people use water to make this, but I prefer to use tofu for a hint of extra flavor, and it will give the dangos a light and fluffy texture. Simply mix the ingredients together until it's form a dough ball. If your dough is too dry, you can add more tofu, and if it's too sticky to handle, just add more glutinous rice flour. Once you have reached the right consistency, you can start to coloring them. I'm gonna need white, light brown, dark brown, soft pink, and black color. For the extra flavor, instead of using food coloring, I'm using cocoa powder for the brown color. You can create any design and color you want. Just take note that after boiling, the color will be darker than before. So be mindful with the color. Now it's time to create the cute dango. Take about 20 grams of dough and roll it into a ball shape for the teddy bear head. Place the head onto a small piece of grease-proof paper. Next, roll out 2 small pieces of light brown and white dough into a log and stick it together. The logs will be the bear ears. Then gently press the ears onto the head. You want to make sure they are stick real well, guys. Otherwise, they might fall apart when boiling. Well, you know, no one like earless bears. Then add the nose, and the mouth, and finally his cute little eyes. So adorable. Next one, this lucky Japan cat. Add her ears, add her nose, then the eyes, and his little mouth. And last one, this cute pet panda. really cute. Oh my god, I really enjoy making this. After finished with all the design, let's get ready to cook them. Bring a small pot of water to a boil, then lower the heat to a simmer. Carefully place your dangos into the simmering water. You can cook a few of them at a time. Remove the greaseproof paper. When dangos start to float, that means they are ready to be picked up. It will take for about 3 to 5 minutes. Scoop them out and place it into a bowl of ice water so they don't stick together. After cooling down a bit, take out the dangos from the ice water. Then simply stick the dango into a skewer. Make sure that you stick it right in the middle of the head. In the meantime, let's prepare the mitarashi sauce. Put all the mitarashi ingredients in a saucepan. Then set on a medium heat and bring it to boil. Keep stirring until the sauce has thickened. Pour the mitarashi sauce onto the dango, and your Kawaii Mitarashi Dango is ready. Alright guys, our Kawaii Mitarashi Dango are finished now. And this looks amazing. These dangos really melt my heart before even tasting it. It was so good. This is one of my favorite Japanese comfort food. It's best to serve with hot, cause the colder it gets, the chewier it will become. This extremely cute dango is super delicious. Anyway, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because I post one new video every week. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my YouTube channel for more cute and best recipes. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye guys!